This is a very complicated situation here because the merit of Lula's conviction has not been touched. What has been decided here, years after the verdict that took Lula out of the last presidential election campaign and took him to prison, what has now been decided is that the court that made that decision was not the adequate forum to judge this case. So Lula is back in the game and he regains his political rights. But one possible interpretation here is that this also protects Sergio Moro, the judge who made the decision. That's because Sergio Moro later became justice minister in the government of Jair Bolsonaro. So it seems he had a clear and definite interest in the election for which he had rendered Lula ineligible. And it seems from intercepted conversations that in his role as judge, he's also alleged to have been coaching the prosecution's side. So his partiality, his lack of partiality is in question. Now that's under investigation. That investigation may now be halted as a result of the decision taken today by Brazil's Supreme Court. So it's a very complicated situation. We're going through the looking glass on this one. And over the next few days, constitutional experts and lawyers in Brazil will be spending a lot of time trying to explain what has happened and what might happen now.
And Tim, how will this development today likely shape the race for the presidency next year?
Well, as it stands, Lula is back in the game. He is eligible to run as president at the end of 2022. In most of the opinion polls, he would be the leading candidate at this time, although he does have quite a strong rejection rating as well. But his legal problems are not necessarily all over. There are other cases in the pipeline. So at the moment, I think all we can say is watch this space.